Buy to let is dead in the UK. I've said this before, and you need to accept this before using an old strategy and getting yourself stuck financially. I'm Habib Mogul, Director of SPA Properties, and I'm going to show you one of the methods we use to replicate the buy to let strategy here in Dubai. We have invested with associates of ours in an off-plan project by Samana. It's an 8-year payment plan in Production City. Let's go through the breakdown. So we bought the property for 1,245,270 AED, which is 251,990 pounds. We've done this in 2025. It's an 8-year payment plan for 1% per month, and the handover is in 2028. And you get the keys in 3 years, like I said, in 2028. Now let's go through all the upfront costs. The down payment was 20%, so that's 249,054 AED. DLD fee at 4%. This is like stamp duty, 49,810.80. Admin fee 4,200. So total upfront cost is 303,064.80 AED. That comes to £61,000 that we had to put down. Now, let's look at the installments. Like I mentioned before, 1% per month. So every month, 12,452.70, which is £2,519.90 per month. You will have, although intervals, and there will be 3 intervals. So month 12 will be 10%, month 18 an extra 5%, month 36 an extra 5%. Now let's fast forward to 2028, which here will be the handover. You'll physically get the keys, but the best thing about this is the payment now reduces to 0.5%. What that means is your monthly payments will be 6,226.35 AED, which is £1,260. Now, from the handover, for the rest of the payment plan, which is remaining 5 years, you'll be paying this amount. Now, let's look at the potential rent. So, potential rent. Now, currently, now in 2026, 1-bedroom apartments in Production City are going between 70,000 dirhams to 90,000 dirhams for 925 square feet to 959 square feet. Our apartment is a 1-bedroom, 984 square feet. We're going to be really conservative here and go for an average as well, 80,000 dirhams. Let's split that per month. That would be 6,666 dirhams per month, which is £1,349 in 2026's current year. Our handover is in 2028, and our payment will be 6,226.35 AED, which is £1,260. So looking at this, we know we're earning way above break even. So we're in the green, and this approves our stress test, and we are looking good. On top of that, furthermore, let's look at the rental trend. Now, rental trend for Production City for 1-bedroom apartment from 2024 to 2025 has increased by 16%.